हरिः ओं नमः सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य लेवल् 2 वर्गस्य तृतीयकक्षार्थं भवतां सर्वेषां स्वागतम्। गतकक्ष्यायाः पुनस्मरणं। गतकक्ष्यायां वयम् उपपदविभक्तीनाम् अध्ययनं वयं कृतवन्तः। तत्र अलं शब्दस्य वारणार्थे अलं शब्दस्य प्रयोगं वयं दृष्टवन्तः। तत्र तृतीयाविभक्तेः प्रयोगः भवति। तथैव अलं शब्दस्य पर्याप्तम् इत्यस्मिन् अर्थे चतुर्थीविभक्तिप्रयोगः भवति इति वयं दृष्टवन्तः। उदाहरणम् अलं भाषणेन वारणार्थे, पुनः भीमः दुर्योधनाय अलं पर्याप्त्यर्थे उदाहरणानि भवन्ति। अनन्तरम् अग्रे विनाशब्दस्य अध्ययनं कृतवन्तः। तत्र वर्जनार्थे विना प्रयोगः भवति। यत्र विना प्रयोगः भवति तत्सम्बन्धपदस्य द्वितीया तृतीया पञ्चमी विभक्तिषु एका विभक्तिः भवति इति ज्ञातं। तत्र उदाहरणं ज्ञानं विना जीवनं कष्टकरं, ज्ञानेन विना जीवनं कष्टकरं, ज्ञानात् विना जीवनं कष्टकरम्। अग्रे ऋते इति उपपदस्य अपि अधीतवन्तः वयं। तत्र पुनः ऋते इत्यस्य अर्थः विना इत्यस्य अर्थः एव भवति। तत्र विनार्थे ऋते भवति, तथैव वर्जनार्थे ऋते भवति। यत्र विनाशब्दस्य प्रयोगः भवति तत्र पुनः पञ्चमीविभक्तेः प्रयोगः करणीयः। उदाहरणं कृष्णात् ऋते पाण्डवानां विजयः असाध्यः इति। अग्रे सदृशशब्दस्य प्रयोगं ज्ञातवन्तः। तत्र तुल्यार्थे सदृशप्रयोगः भवति। उदाहरणं रामेण सदृशः अन्यः कः अस्ति, द्रौपद्या सदृशी महिला विरला। अत्र पुनः षष्ठीप्रयोगः अपि उचितः भवति। यथा कालिदासस्य सदृशः कविः अन्यः नास्ति। एवम् अत्र तृतीयाविभक्तिः अपि भवति, षष्ठीविभक्तिः अपि भवति सदृश उपपदेन। अग्रे एतावत्पर्यन्तं वयं गतकक्ष्यायां वयं दृष्टवन्तः। पुनः सदृशप्रयोगः, तत्र पुनः सदृशे लिङ्गभेदः अपि भवति। सदृशः, सदृशा, सदृशम् एवम्। अत्र रामेण सदृशः अन्यः, अनन्तरं द्रौपद्या सदृशी महिला, अनन्तरं नरकेन सदृशं कुरुक्षेत्रम्। अत्र एतानि उदाहरणानि भवन्ति। इतः पूर्वं वयं पूर्वपरशब्दयोः अपि अध्ययनं वयं कृतवन्तः। एतावत्पर्यन्तं वयं गतकक्षायां वयं समापितवन्तः। अग्रे इदानीं वयं इतोपि नूतन उपपदानां ज्ञानं वयं प्राप्नुमः। अग्रिम उपपदं वर्तते प्रति इति। So the meaning of prati, it means about or to or towards. Of course, there are many meanings of prati. You can check the dictionary for the complete meanings, but most frequently in spoken Sanskrit we use prati in these three meanings: in the meaning of about, in the meaning of to, in the meaning of towards. So लक्षणार्थे प्रति इति उच्यते। यत्र लक्षणा इति अर्थः भवति तत्र प्रतिशब्दस्य प्रयोगः यदि क्रियते तदानीं अत्र द्वितीया विभक्तिः प्रयोक्तव्या। So when we use prati in these three meanings, the related or connected word will be in the dvitiya or should be in dvitiya. So again this dvitiya vibhakti is upapadav vibhakti. So let us see some examples for all these three meanings. So vivekah gramam prati gatavan. So vivekah gramam gatavan. So he went to the village. So vivekah gramam prati gatavan. He went towards the village. Okay, that's the meaning here. Again, you can even take the meaning as to also. He went to village or he went towards the village. So both means the same here. So vivekah gramam prati gatavan. Agre ramani malatim prati sanketam kritavati. So she gave some intro about Malati. So Ramani gave some intro about Malati. So again here about Malati. So in that meaning Malati Prati is used here. And similarly Pita Putram Prati Avadat. So here again father told to son. So here again the meaning is to. So Pita Putram Prati Avadat. Agre Chatraha Gurum Prati Prichati. So here again Chatraha Gurum Prati Prichati. He asks to Guru. That's one meaning. And similarly it also means about Guru who he actually asks about Guru. Either he asks about Guru to somebody else or he asks to Guru. Both. It actually means both. So Chatraha Gurum Prati Prichati. So based on the context we should understand. And next is Aham Devalayam Prati Gacchami. So I am going to temple or I am going towards temple. Next Arjunaha Kaurava Senam Prati Sanketam Kritavan. So he just addressed Kaurava Sena. And Sanjayaha Dhritarashtra Prati Avadat. He told to Dhritarashtra. So these are the few usages of Prati. So maybe we'll have some discussions around this. If there are any questions, then we'll go with exercises. So just start framing few sentences using Prati.
संस्कृतभाषां प्रति ज्ञातुम् अनेके विदेशीयाः सन्ति.
उत्तमं, सम्यक्.
प्रतिदिनं प्रति गुरुं प्रति गुरुं प्रति पुत्रं प्रति.
So there are there are multiple meanings of Prati and multiple usages of Prati word itself. One, I think we already saw, that is on Upasargas. That means different actually, like a Prati Gacchati, returns, returns, something like that. And that is Upasarga. And here it is used as a Avyayam. It's a Uppapadam.
Yes. Uppapadam. So here it is not used as a, so even if it is Prati Avadat, can we write Prati Avadat? No. Prati Avadat.
No, Pratyavadat you can say actually. It again it means he answers. That's the meaning. Pratyavadati means answering, right? So Pita Putram Pratyavadat. If you join Prati and Avadat, it's actually you can interpret it in two ways. Pita Putram Pratyavadat. So Pita answers to the kid. That's the correct word. And similarly, the same Prati you can add it to the Putram. Pita Putram Pratyavadat. That means Pita talks to the son. Yes.
So that becomes two sons. Whereas Pratyavadat, replied.
Yeah, he replied. No, without Putram. Even with Putram, he replied to son. That's again, it's a correct sentence.
Okay. When the Chatram Gurum Prati Puchati, he said, ask the Guru or the student ask about someone else. I didn't understand that.
No, Prati means two meanings actually. One is to and the other one is about. So, student asks about Guru. That is one meaning. And second is maybe that means student asks about Guru with somebody else. He has some questions about the Guru, so he is asking. And the other question is directly asking to Guru.
Can you just give us a sentence? Chatram Gurum Prati about meaning somebody else.
You can just say Chatraha Gurum Prati. Chatraha Gurum Prati Mam Prachati or Chatraha Gurum Prati Pitaram Prachati. So he asks about Guru to his father or to me.
So Chatraha Gurum Prati Pitaram Prachati means the student asks about the Guru to his father.
Yes. It's not to his father, to father. Yes. Okay. Yeah, that's it.
Now I got it. Thank you. Guruhu uttamam margam prati gantum shastran vadati.
Samyak.
नमो नमः. वानराः वृक्षं प्रति धावन्ति. Is that correct?
What's the meaning?
Monkeys run
Yeah.
towards the tree.
सम्यक्.
Sir, can we also say putraha kukuram prati kandukam kshipati?
Yeah, सम्यक्.
Son throws the ball to the dog.
सम्यक्.
Mahoday, can we use this to say that go and stand in front of something? Say, for example, Mata Putram Putram Adesh Tatra Devam Prati Tishtha. Tadrisha Devam Prati Tishtha.
No, तत्र पुरतः प्रयोगः भवति. देवस्य पुरतः तिष्ठति इति माता पुत्रम् उक्तवती. नमः.
अहं मम पुत्रीं प्रति उक्तवती or पृच्छामि. If I say how to say in English, I asked about my daughter or I asked towards my daughter, which one is the correct? Suppose this sentence is correct or not? अहं मम पुत्रीं प्रति उक्तवती. This is correct sentence?
See, this is correct sentence. Based on the context, it has to be understood. Whether you are telling to somebody else about your daughter or you are telling to your daughter. So this is again based on the context you need to understand, which is correct.
So I can take both.
Yeah, both are
my
correct.
Daughter or to my daughter.
Yes.
Based on धन्यवाद.
अहं विद्यालयं प्रति गच्छामि. माता
सम्यक्. The second sentence, can you repeat? It was breaking a bit.
माता पुत्रं प्रति अवदत्.
सम्यक्.
Okay?
Yeah, that's right.
बालः चित्रं प्रति पश्यति. Can you say that?
No, chitram pashyati. That's the right one, not chitram prati.
Okay. But छात्राः पाठान् प्रति गुरुं पृच्छन्ति.
Yes, that is right.
That is about usage.
About, yes, that's right.
बालकः मातरं प्रति पश्यति.
No, mataram pashyati.
So we cannot use when you are addressing a person, but only addressing a person.
It's an object, right? It's a pure object. Okay, see, remember, this is used only if that actual word is if mata chitra, balakaha chitram pashyati is chitram is directly linked to kriya. You cannot use, there is no reason for bringing in prati. Because the same meaning, whatever you are saying, you want to express chitram as an object. So that by default gets a ditya because it's a karaka vibhakti. Okay, but where you don't know which vibhakti to put and you have upapadam, then you go and you apply the ditya. So there upapada vibhakti comes in, and when you want to express in a particular meaning, then you have to use appropriate upapadam there. So for example, in the about meanings, there is no karaka vibhakti does not automatically come. But in your case, chitram is not a upapada vibhakti, it's a karma padam, right? So it automatically gets the ditya. It's not because of prati. Yeah.
नमो नमः महोदय. कृष्णः अर्जुनस्य प्रति गीतां बोधयति.
अर्जुनं प्रति. अर्जुनं प्रति द्वितीया विभक्तिः.
माता पुत्रं ज्ञानं प्रति पाठयति.
सम्यक्.
Mother teaches about meditation to her son.
Yes, but here about meditation is one sentence, or it teaches meditation to son. This is another sentence. In the second sentence, you will not use prati. That's the only difference. Hope you are getting it. So, Mata Putrim Dhyanam Patayati, or Mata Putrim Dhyanam Prati Vadati.
Vadati.
Yeah.
Patayati na.
Patayati means it becomes Ditya without Prati. We shouldn't use Prati there in that case.
Yes, sir.
It's a karma padam then.
Dhyanam prati vadati.
Yeah, she tells about dhyana. She doesn't teach about dhyana. She teaches the dhyana. She doesn't teach about dhyana. Okay, that's the difference. So when she is teaching dhyana, then dhyanam patayati without prati. When she tells something about dhyana, then dhyanam prati vadati. Yeah.
Vadati. Okay.
So these are all nice questions. So generally the concept is very small, the prati with these three meanings and one vibhakti. But when we actually use, we'll get more questions and doubts. I think that's where this session, generally live sessions, help us. The next upapadam we are going to see is dhik. So dhik samanyataya nindarte dhik prayogaha bhavati. So ninda itukte abhipraya viruddha bhavaha. So wherever we have some opinion where you want to oppose that opinion, or you have different opinion than them, or you see some danger, or you want to blame somebody, in all these meanings we can use dhik. It's just you're just expressing some you're expressing your negative feeling on them. Actually, you're just saying not good, or in that meaning you can actually use dhik. So it's generally nindarthe, like reproach or shame. So in these meanings we'll use ditya bhakti. So let us see the example. Dhik manda buddhim. So manda buddhi is one person who has manda buddhi. So just we are actually blaming or just reproaching him. So dhik manda buddhim. And similarly dhik tvam. So if you do not like the person in front of you, can just say dhik tvam. Or this is sometimes even used when you expect some danger from the other person, or when you are not okay with their opinions, or when you want to blame somebody. In all these cases you can use dhik on that particular object or person. Again dhik papinam. So papinam, papi is one who did sin. Okay, dhik papinam, and dhik shakunim, and dhik kechakam. So these are all the few examples. So in all these cases on which you are actually blaming, on which you are actually expressing your negative feelings, in those cases that object or person will be represented in the ditya bhakti. Okay, this is very simple one. Shall we try some examples? If you have any questions, we can get clarified.
So here, like usually if I see prati and vina, dvitiya vibhakti is before these words, and in case of dhik, the dvitiya vibhakti is after dhik. Is it always the same usage, or it can be interchanged like dhik?
See, the word order is not very important in the language. The word order doesn't really matter. You can say manda buddhim dhik, but generally, when it comes to dhik, this is how we see the usages. But even you can actually swap them, not an issue.
Mam dhik. Shame on me.
Yeah, that's right.
Manda buddhim is a manda buddhiya. Manda buddhi is a person. All the attributes from papinam, all will be the persons only.
No. Even manda buddhi, you can take it as just manda buddhi itself. You can take actually. Yeah, you can take that adjective or that object itself. You can take.
So same way we can say. Can we say dik murkam?
Yes, you can say. Again, murka is again a person, right?
So can we say dik krodam?
Yes, that you can say yes. So anything on which you want to show the hatredness, or on which you want to show some shameness, you can use dik. It may be object, or it may be some attribute. It can be anything. Yeah.
Harim Namo Namaha.
Namaha.
I see three items. Dhik Nindra, it is blame. it correct?
धिक् निन्दां मकारः अन्ते भवति.
Oh, and dik drina, disgusting. Drina.
Yes, again घृणां द्वितीया भक्ति प्रयुक्तव्या.
धिक् अहङ्कारं. धिक्.
Yeah, सम्यक्.
नमो नमः सर.
नमः.
धिक् देशद्रोहं.
सम्यक्.
धिक् अपमानं.
Yeah, सम्यक्.
सम्यक् वा सर?
आम् आम्.
And last sentence is धिक् मलिन राजशास्त्रं.
Yes, मलिन राजशास्त्रं, that's right.
Okay, धन्यवाद सर.
सम्यक्. Yeah, one thing here is धिक् generally used to express the hatredness or shameness on others. So sometimes from Pandava side they may say धिक् Kauravan, and Kauravas may also say धिक् Pandavan. So just for fun fact here. But this is not always for the bad things. Even the bad people use धिक् for good things as well. Next we have a short subhashitam in our book. We will go over that. So I'll just I'll read the subhashitam and I'll keep the question and answer open. Please, if you know the meaning, and please come back and answer this. So धिक् जीवितं शास्त्र कलोचितस्य, धिक् जीवितं चोद्यमवर्जितस्य, धिक् जीवितं व्यर्थमनोरथस्य, धिक् जीवितं ज्ञातिपराजितस्य. So anybody would like to attempt to give answer or give the meaning for this subhashitam?
Dik Jivitam. It's a shame of life. Shastra Kalo. So the one who doesn't learn skills from there. Shastra Kalo.
Yeah, one who doesn't honor or learn or lift the skills. Yeah.
Dik Jivitam, the shame of life.
It's a shame.
Shame. Chodyam avarjitasya. Actually this Jivitam cha Ardyam avarjitasya. Or yeah, is it like that? Cha Ardyam or Chodyam is a word. I don't know.
Okay, धिक् जीवितं च उद्यमवर्जितस्य.
Udyam. Cha Udyam avarjitasya.
उद्यमवर्जितस्य.
Udyama varjitasya.
What's the meaning of udyama?
I don't know, Mahodaya.
So udyama is the effort, and varjita is neglected or ignored or no effort.
No effort.
So व्यर्थमनोरथस्य जीवितं धिक्, meaning one has wasted life in simply enjoying it, not doing anything, not achieving anything probably.
Yeah, so manoratha means engaging the mind. Vyartha manoratha is one who engages his mind on the wasted things, or he doesn't engage in anything. So that kind of life is waste. We are blaming that life. Okay, next.
So next one will be Jnati Parajitasya Jeevitam Dhik. Jnati means I'm guessing it in like our language, my mother tongue. Jnatis mean the ancestors. So probably somebody who is being defeated by his own ancestors is related. Shame.
Yeah, that's right. Closely, it's right. So Jnati Parajitasya means one who doesn't perform the duties for their ancestors. Their Jivitam, that's the meaning. So doesn't perform their duties while they are alive or dead. If they are not performing, then he is called as Jnati Parajitaha. Okay, the next, I think this is the completion of the first chapter. I think we covered almost, not almost all the upapadams in the first chapter in our syllabus. But there are, the list is really very huge, but we covered what is there in our book. But of course, when we go further, if we come across any upapadams, we will touch upon that. So we completed all upapadams in the first chapter. So this is just a summary of all the upapadams here. So which are upapadams are used on which vibhaktis. For example, purvam param अनयोः प्रयोगः प्रयोगे पञ्चमीविभक्तिः प्रयोक्तव्या. तथा अलम् इत्यत्र वारणार्थे तृतीयाविभक्तिः, पर्याप्त्यर्थे चतुर्थीविभक्तिः. तथा विना वर्जनार्थे विना प्रयोगे द्वितीयाविभक्तिः, तृतीयाविभक्तिः, पञ्चमीविभक्तिः वा प्रयोक्तव्या. अनन्तरं ऋते वर्जनार्थे ऋते इत्यत्र पञ्चमीविभक्तेः प्रयोगः. अनन्तरं तुल्यार्थे सदृशशब्दे तृतीयाविभक्तिः, षष्ठीविभक्तिः वा प्रयोक्तव्या. अनन्तरं प्रति लक्षणार्थे प्रति इत्यत्र द्वितीयाविभक्तिः. अनन्तरं पुनः निन्दार्थे धिक् इत्यत्र द्वितीयाविभक्तिः च प्रयोक्तव्या. It's just a summary. Just keep this table, and when you get any new upapadams, keep appending to this list, and it's a good reference for you. Okay, so we'll move on. So next, I think we have a very short story at the beginning of the lesson. We will touch upon that, and at the same time, the remaining exercises we may not be solving in the live session. That's why I always suggest you go and do them as a homework. And when you get any questions, we can definitely discuss in the next sessions. And when you try attempting the exercises on the first chapter, please parallelly take up both the books. Actually, if you are having Bhasha Pravesha level 2 and Gita Sopanam level 2, take both the books and try to solve the exercises related to this chapter. And of course, you will see the chapters are exactly matching, the chapter topics are exactly matching. The first chapter topic in the Bhasha Pravesha 1 is equivalent to the Gita Sopanam's level 2's first chapter. Okay, only thing is the exercises are different, and the story what you read will be different, but otherwise it's all the same. The concept is same. Okay, that's why I always recommend you can take both the books and solve both the exercises, so you can actually do study of both the books simultaneously. Okay, let's move. And in case if you want to know the Gita Sopanam level 2's stories or anything, we may not be covering here. We have a separate recorded sessions for Gita Sopanam level 2. Please go and watch them if you want to have meanings of those stories. Yeah, that's all about today's session. Thank you all for watching this video online. If you have any queries or if you want to interact with the students, please join our Telegram group. You can find the Telegram group link in the course page from the description. And if you have any questions or if you want to have anything, please post them in the comment section below the video. If you have any feedback, you can please share them in the comment section. And finally, like this video and share this video with others, so others will also get benefited. Thank you all for watching this video online. Let us meet in another video. Thank you. Dhanyavadaha.